Imagine sending a letter halfway across the world in a fraction of a second. That's the power of the internet. But how does it actually work? Let's break it down. The internet is a global network of interconnected computers, but it's much more than just machines. It's the infrastructure that allows you to send emails, stream videos, browse websites, and even control smart devices in your home. At its core, the internet is a way for computers to communicate with each other, using a language called protocols. Every device connected to the internet has an IP address, which is like its unique phone number. When you type a website's name into your browser, your computer doesn't actually understand that name. Instead, it uses a system called DNS, or Domain Name System, to translate the website's name into an IP address. It's like looking up a contact in your phone. You don't need to remember the number, just the name. Now let's talk about data. When you send a message or request a web page, that information is broken down into tiny pieces called packets. These packets travel through various networks, hopping from one router to another until they reach their destination. Think of it like sending a puzzle through the mail, one piece at a time. Once all the packets arrive, they're reassembled to form the complete message or web page. The backbone of the internet is made up of high-speed data highways operated by internet service providers, ISPs. These ISPs connect to massive data centers that host servers, which store all the information you access online. When you visit a website, your request goes from your device to your ISP, then to the server hosting the website, and back to your device, all in milliseconds. Protocols are the rules that govern how data is transmitted over the internet. The most important ones are TCP, IP, and HTTP. TCP/IP ensures that packets are sent and received in the correct order, while HTTP is the protocol that governs how web pages are transmitted and displayed in your browser. Security is crucial on the internet. When you visit a secure website, your data is encrypted using a protocol called HTTPS. This encryption ensures that even if someone intercepts your data, they won't be able to read it. Firewalls, VPNs, and antivirus software also play key roles in protecting your data online. The internet is constantly evolving. The rise of the Internet of Things, IoT, is connecting more devices than ever before, from smart fridges to self-driving cars. With the advent of technologies like 5G and edge computing, the internet speed and reach are only going to increase. So, the next time you send an email, stream a movie, or ask your smart speaker a question, remember the complex journey your data takes across the internet. It's an incredible system that keeps the world connected, and it's only getting more powerful.